Right, you meet me again. I've got a surprise for you all. 3, 2, 1. I got it to fit. So we got these in now. However, doing this, putting that down, run into another issue. Listen, not good. It's coming from there, because look, when I let it sit down, I'm just gonna let it settle there. See that? Yeah, not good. Not fabulous. It's okay though. All I need is the new, one second. All I need is new bits of these, or if I can just very gently sort of like pull the, so basically what it's done is it's twisted that way, so this side's gone in like that, that side's gone out like that, and obviously this one is come this way slightly. So if I can just rotate it slightly like that, that means I'll be able to close it properly. This one's all in place already, so that's no matter. What I might do then instead is put the car back together and then worry about the bonnet, just because having a panel gap is the least of my concerns at the moment. I want the car running. I might be able to get it done today. Stay tuned.